leads. We are going to discuss how can you generate your own leads, especially coaching leads. Not just coaching leads, but qualified high ticket leads, leads that qualify themselves right in Messenger. Let's go check it out. Who is this video for? This video is specifically for coaches and consultants from any industry, but what I am about to share will really work for any businesses. If you are a beginner and need a low cost way to boost your income, if you have a thriving business already and need help in doubling your income, or if you don't want to learn a lot of technical stuff but want to increase your business with the help of online marketing, then this video is for you. As a digital transformation expert myself with over 15 years of experience in the IT industry, I understand businesses and its transformational journeys. Things are always changing over the years, and recently we are using differently lot of things. So let us check what I am doing nowadays for my clients and my students. Here is a quick overview of what you are about to see. In this video, you will discover how to get your business in front of lots of people for free, how to attract your clients and not to chase them, how to achieve a work-life balance by eliminating your time to nurture a lead and then convert, how you can instantly connect with people to convert traffic into clients. So up until recently, most coaches and marketers were using this method to generate leads online. Uh, they would send their traffic from Facebook ads to an opt-in page, then to a survey page where they would generate a long form for lead qualification, which would trigger an email to them so they could immediately start calling them and that prospect. Now, this method can produce some results, but if you think about it, you are actually asking someone who is never heard about you to trust you with one of the biggest transactions of their lives. It can work, but there is a better way. Let's see. The better way is to generate value-based content that will drive the traffic. And what I mean by value-based content is telling people about your coaching program or your other services or products, and then giving them a call to action within that instructional or educational information. Now, what happens then is that in this call to action, this actually drives people right to the messenger chatbot, which provides the instant engagement. So messenger chatbot acts like a funnel and a CRM combined. So everyone that engages with your messenger automatically becomes a subscriber, not necessarily a lead, but at least you are taking traffic and putting them into your sales ecosystem where you can nurture them and convert them using this messenger chatbots or many chats omni-channel engagement. We normally use ManyChat, but for creating a messenger chatbot. What we do is we create a messenger bot inside ManyChat platform. Every prospect that clicks in it is immediately engaged, so your conversion rate will be higher because you got that speed to lead any prospect using automation. This is like having an assistant working for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to help you qualify your leads. Here is a graphic example of what I am talking about. You would create a post about your coaching program in any of these platforms and invite people to get more information or to see if they can qualify. You get leads that qualify themselves right in the messenger, and then the prospect can then engage with via live chat, schedule an appointment, or go straight to the application booking. You don't have to chase any of these leads, you have a lot of free time. Now, after I have shown the basic idea of how this works, I want to show you the big picture of the omni-channel marketing. How can you combine messenger with SMS and email marketing all together in one place? Let us take a look. Here is a big picture. You attract prospects with value. You make posts on Facebook or create YouTube videos or Instagram posts. These posts have a URL link that brings people into your messenger platform. And then you are able to nurture and convert them with value. After every interaction where you are trying to address a solution for your client, you ask them to either ask question, make an appointment, or go to straight to the application so that you don't have to chase this lead. You let the automated funnel do the work. Now if they don't reach out after the first contact, and many won't, because most of the people needs 8 to 10 contacts and 8 to 10 exposure to your business and your value proposition before they are going to respond. But now you can retarget them uh, with uh, your subscriber list. From your subscriber list you can keep offering them value to educate, inspire, and motivate. This is a infinite omni-channel marketing machine. You attract your subscriber in messenger and then you re-engage them using SMS or email or in different ways. And you also qualify them by asking the different questions, and some of them will directly go to the application or book a call with you. So here is an example from one of my students' result. You can see that the first question was sent 603 clients, 603 times before this campaign. By the end of the long form lead generation system, we have 369 people that have gave us a phone number and email. This messenger bot funnel generated qualified leads with a completion rate of 61%. As you can see here, when the prospects were offered to a choice of how they would like to move forward, most of them went straight to the online application link. They preferred to keep the call. Automated follow-ups eliminate calling leads and make sure everyone is taken care of. So you can see the automation follow-up sequence grabbed more people that might have missed with a standard online quiz. And here you can see again with online quiz that gives actually 5% wanted to set an appointment, but 25% went straight to the online application. And if people did not engage with these follow-ups, we sent them a text, and here you can see that that also grabbed 8% of the different SMSs. And then the ball got rolling. Click here. I also included a quick screenshot showing you these messages, uh, how it I mean it actually got. If people didn't engage with these follow-ups, we sent them a text, and here you can see that that also grabbed 8%, got 8% of the people's attention. And if we had sent a link that if they would like, they can directly fill a quick application to get the ball rolling. And we had done this with $1.53 per user. So what you have checked till now, you can use this information and attract high value coaching clients into your sphere of influence. Attraction marketing generates awareness so people take note of you, what you are doing, and how you can help them. And on this, you can leverage the use of chatbots to nurture the leads and convert the leads. So to review what we have just discussed, we have given you that in this way you can create educational content on social media and get your business in front of lots of prospective clients, and this approach will attract them into your sales ecosystem, so you don't have to chase them. Messenger chatbot is a tool which help you to engage everyone very quickly with automation, so you can have a live and maintain that speed to the lead. And by using messenger chatbots omni-channel sequence, you can create and nurture sequences that educate, empower, and inspire people to reach out to you when they are ready. And what's next? Marketing your products and services doesn't have to be a core, it can be far. You know plenty of ways to help people. You just need to use the cost effective tools that are available to you. So once you find the posts and videos that really that are reasonable with your target audience, you can scale those into paid ads and find more and more people to help. I have more than 15 years of experience in helping businesses to grow with the help of technology. This is what I have been doing full time for last couple of years, and I have got lots of ideas that you can implement and grow your business yourself. So go ahead and click the link or to book a 15-minute strategy call with me, and I will deliver some information and some resources that can actually help you get started right away. Otherwise, you can also comment I am in, then you will be in my automation sequence and you will be able to get all the resources I want to offer. So see you soon inside. Thank you.